In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rules to automate transactions in QuickBooks Online step by step, 2025. Automating rules can save you a ton of time by auto-categorizing your bank feed so reconciliation is faster and more consistent. First, log in to QuickBooks Online in your browser. On the left navigation, click Accounting, then choose Rules. You'll land on a page that says Save Time with Rules, which is exactly what we're about to do. In the top right corner, click New Rule to create your first automation. Give your rule a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it later, something like Amazon Expense Rule. Next, decide where the rule applies. Choose Money Out for expenses, leaving your bank, or Money In for income coming into your account. Pick the one that matches the type of transaction you want to automate. Now, set the conditions that tell QuickBooks how to recognize a transaction. You can target the description, bank text, payee, or amount. For example, set description to contains and type Amazon if you want any transaction that includes the word Amazon in the description to trigger the rule. Using contains is flexible and helps catch small variations that often appear in bank feeds. If your bank text is reliable, that's also a great field to use. With the conditions in place, define the actions QuickBooks should take automatically. Choose the category you want these transactions to post to, such as advertising expense, and set the payee to keep your vendor history clean. If your workflow uses customer, class, or location, you can assign those here as well to keep reporting accurate. You'll also see an option to automatically add to my books. If you check this, QuickBooks will add matching transactions to your books without waiting in the For Review tab. This is powerful, but use it carefully. If you're just getting started, you might leave it unchecked until you've confirmed the rule behaves as expected. Choose where the rule applies by selecting All Bank Accounts or narrowing it to a specific account. Keeping it account-specific can be helpful if the same payee appears in both checking and credit card feeds, but should be treated differently. Click Save. To see the rule in action, go back to Accounting, then Bank Transactions. Matching items will be categorized automatically or queued for quick approval based on your settings. That's it. You've successfully created a rule to automate transactions in QuickBooks Online. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.